Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have the right account, password, and any two-step verification devices accessible. Open Gmail on a desktop browser. The full security panel appears there. Once signed in, click your profile circle and choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to account controls. Make sure to stay on a secure network and avoid public Wi-Fi, because you will view sensitive login records immediately after entering the security area. Once in Manage your Google account, navigate to Security in the left menu. This is where Sign in History lives. Under your devices, click Manage Devices to list recent sessions. Each entry shows device type, approximate location, and last activity time. Next, open Recent Security Events to see explicit sign-ins and permission changes. You can click any event for more context, and then choose whether to secure the account by changing your Finally, review each device and event. For anything unfamiliar, click Sign Out and then change your password. Do it now to stop ongoing access. Enable two-step verification and run Google's security checkup to enforce recovery options and app permissions. If you cannot access these pages or see inconsistent timestamps, clear browser cache, try another browser, or use incognito mode. If still blocked, follow account recovery prompts and verify secondary email or phone to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.